adventure ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away, with their tiny backpacks bright and bold, red, blue, green, pink and gold. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came waddling back. 4 little adventure ducks went splash in the stream, chasing shiny rainbows and ice cream dreams. They met a friendly frog who croaked Ribbit-ree. Now only 3 little ducks came back to me. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came waddling back. 3 little adventure ducks flew high with the bee, buzz, buzz, buzzing up in a big tall tree. The bee gave them honey so sweet and so yellow. Now only 2 little ducks came back. Hello! Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came waddling back. 2 little adventure ducks slid down a rainbow slide. Whoosh! Red and orange, what a colorful ride. They landed in flowers with the bunny so fluffy. Now only 1 little duck came back in a hurry. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came waddling back. 1 little adventurer duck went to find his friends. I miss my brothers and sisters, he said with no end. He shouted, come back, we have cookies and juice. But none of the 5 little ducks came. Oh no, poor goose! Mother duck felt so sad, she almost cried. Wah, wah! Not one of her 5 little ducks came back at all. Then Mother duck put on her superhero crown. Lulu the girl shouted, let's turn this around. Mother duck flapped super high and called the biggest quack, 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 quack. And the red one came running, and the blue one came zooming. Green one came hopping, pink one came skipping, gold one came flying with wings super flapping. 5 little adventurer ducks came rushing back, jumping in puddles, making giant splash, splash, splash. Mother duck hugged them tight, Lulu cheered hooray. 5 little adventurer ducks are home safe today. 5 little ducks safe and sound, dancing and quacking all around. Counting our colors, counting our friends, adventures with family never end. Quack, quack, hooray, quack, quack, hooray. 5 little ducks are here to stay. Body, 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 body.